Comparing insurance quotes in the USA is an essential step in finding the right insurance coverage at the best price. Whether you're looking for auto insurance, homeowners insurance, health insurance, or any other type of insurance, here are the steps to effectively compare different insurance quotes. Determine your insurance needs. Before you start comparing quotes, it's crucial to understand your insurance needs. Consider factors such as the type and amount of coverage you require, your budget, and any specific features or add-ons you may want. For example, in the case of auto insurance, think about your desired coverage limit and deductible amounts. Gather information. Collect all the necessary information that insurance companies will require to provide accurate quotes. This may include personal information, name, address, date of birth, vehicle information for auto insurance, home details for homeowners insurance, health information for health insurance, coverage preferences and any special requirements. Choose insurance companies to request quotes from. Identify insurance companies or insurance comparison websites that you want to request quotes from. You can choose to contact individual insurers directly or use online comparison tools to get multiple quotes at once. Request quotes. Request quotes from the selected insurance companies or websites. You can usually do this online by filling out forms or by speaking with insurance agents over the phone. Be consistent in providing the same information to each insurer to ensure accurate comparisons. Review coverage details. Examine the coverage details provided in each quote. Pay attention to the following. Coverage types and limits. Ensure that the quotes offer the same or similar types and levels of coverage. Deductibles. Compare deductibles, as they can significantly impact your premiums. A higher deductible typically results in lower premiums but may require you to pay more out of pocket in case of a claim. Policy terms. Check the policy term, which can vary from 6 months to a year. Special features or riders. Take note of any additional features or riders that are included in the quotes, as they can affect the cost and coverage. Compare premiums. Compare the premium amounts quoted by different insurers. This is the cost you'll pay for the insurance coverage. Keep in mind that the lowest premium may not always be the best option, especially if it comes with significantly lower coverage limits or a high deductible. Consider discounts and benefits. Look for discounts and benefits offered by each insurer. Common discounts include multi-policy discounts, safe driver discounts, good student discounts, and more. Some insurers may also offer benefits like accident forgiveness or roadside assistance. Check the financial strength of insurers. Consider the financial strength and reputation of the insurance companies. You can research this information through independent rating agencies such as AM Best, Standard & Poor's, and Moody's. A financially stable insurer is more likely to fulfill its obligations in the event of a claim. Read customer reviews. Read customer reviews and testimonials to get an idea of the experiences other policyholders have had with the insurance companies you're considering. This can provide insights into customer service, claims handling, and overall satisfaction. Evaluate customer service. Contact the insurers or agents to ask questions and assess their customer service. Good customer service can be crucial, especially when you need to file a claim or make policy changes. Review policy exclusions and terms. Carefully review the policy exclusions, terms, and conditions. Make sure you understand what is covered and what is not, as well as any specific policy requirements. Make an informed decision. Based on your assessment of the quotes, coverage, costs, discounts, and customer service, make an informed decision on which insurance policy best meets your needs and budget. Finalize your insurance coverage. Once you've selected an insurer and policy, complete the necessary paperwork, pay the premium, and ensure you have the coverage in place. Remember that insurance needs can change over time, so it's a good practice to periodically review your coverage and shop for quotes to ensure you continue to have the best insurance solution for your situation. Additionally, consider consulting with an insurance agent or broker for expert guidance in choosing the right insurance coverage.